Learning spoken English can be a challenging but highly rewarding process. Here is a detailed guide on how to master spoken English, broken down into key strategies and techniques for learners at all levels. This comprehensive guide will explore various learning methods, resources, and tips that can help anyone improve their spoken English skills. Immerse yourself in English ***. One of the best ways to learn a language is to immerse yourself in it. Surround yourself with English as much as possible, even if it's not your first language. The more you expose yourself to English, the more familiar it will become, and this will help you develop a natural feel for the language. Watch English movies and TV shows ***. Start with English subtitles to help you understand the context, and gradually move to no subtitles as your skills improve. This will help you understand how native speakers talk in different situations. Listen to English music, podcasts, and audiobooks ***. These forms of media can help improve your listening skills. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and the intonation used by native speakers. Change your devices to English ***. Set your phone, computer, and social media to English to increase your daily exposure to the language. Learn common phrases and expressions ***. Rather than focusing solely on individual vocabulary words, learn common phrases and expressions that are frequently used in conversations. This will help you sound more natural and improve your fluency. Learn phrases in context ***. Focus on how phrases are used in real-life conversations. For example, learn greetings like "How's it going?" or "What's up?" instead of just "Hello" or "How are you?" Practice basic conversations ***. Get comfortable with basic interactions, such as introducing yourself, asking for directions, and ordering food. These daily interactions will help you gain confidence. Study idiomatic expressions ***. English speakers often use idioms like "a piece of cake," "something easy," or "break the ice," start a conversation. Learning these expressions will help you understand conversational English better. ###3. Focus on pronunciation and accent. Pronunciation is a critical component of spoken English. It's important to focus on how words are pronounced, as mispronouncing words can lead to misunderstandings. There are many online resources and apps that can help you with pronunciation. Use phonetic guides ***. English is a non-phonetic language, meaning words are not always pronounced the way they are spelled. Learning the phonetic alphabet can help you understand the correct pronunciation of words. Shadowing technique ***. Listen to a native speaker and try to imitate their speech exactly. This technique helps improve your accent, intonation, and rhythm. Practice tongue twisters ***. Tongue twisters like "She sells seashells by the seashore" are a fun and challenging way to improve your pronunciation and fluency. ###4. Speak regularly and consistently. Speaking regularly is key to improving your spoken English. You cannot improve unless you practice, so make speaking a part of your daily routine. Join language exchange programs ***. There are many platforms such as Tandem, HelloTalk, or Conversation Exchange where you can connect with native English speakers who want to learn your native language in return. Speak to yourself ***. Practice speaking out loud when you are alone. Describe what you are doing, talk about your day, or repeat what you've learned. This will help you practice without the fear of making mistakes in front of others. Use voice recognition tools ***. Apps like Google Assistant or Siri allow you to practice speaking by asking questions and interacting with the tool. Hashtag 5. Expand your vocabulary. To speak fluently, you need a broad vocabulary. Learning new words and phrases will help you express yourself more effectively. Use flashcards. Flashcards are an effective tool for learning new vocabulary. Apps like Anki or Quizlet allow you to create digital flashcards and review them regularly. Learn words in context. It's important to learn words in sentences, so you know how they are used in context. This will help you remember new vocabulary more effectively. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words and phrases you encounter, along with their meanings and example sentences. Review your journal regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Hashtag 6. Practice listening actively. Good listening skills are crucial to improving your spoken English. The better you understand others, the better you will be able to respond. Listen to native speakers. Whether it's through podcasts, interviews, or TED Talks, listening to native speakers will help you understand the nuances of spoken English. Focus on the way they emphasize certain words, their rhythm, and their pauses. Watch with subtitles. Start watching videos with English subtitles to understand the connection between written and spoken language. Once you feel more comfortable, switch to watching without subtitles. Participate in interactive listening activities. Websites like Elo.org and BBC Learning English offer interactive listening exercises where you can practice and test your listening skills. Hashtag 7. Use apps and online resources. There are countless apps, websites, and online resources designed to help learners improve their spoken English. These tools offer interactive lessons, practice exercises, and even conversation practice. Duolingo *. This popular app offers free, gamified language lessons that cover vocabulary, grammar, and conversation. Busuu *. A language learning app that offers a mix of lessons and real-life speaking practice with native speakers. Babel *. A subscription-based app that provides courses in various levels of English, focusing on real-life conversations. YouTube channels *. Channels like BBC Learning English, Engvid, and English Addict with Mr. Duncan offer free videos that teach spoken English skills, pronunciation tips, and real-life scenarios. Hashtag 8. Think in English. One of the major challenges for non-native speakers is translating from their native language to English when speaking. To overcome this, you should train yourself to think in English. Start with simple thoughts. Begin by thinking about everyday things in English, such as what you need to buy at the store or how your day went. Visualize situations. Imagine conversations you might have in English and think of responses. This will help you prepare for real-life conversations. Practice writing in English. Writing your thoughts down in English will help reinforce the habit of thinking in the language. Hashtag 9. Get feedback from native speakers. It's important to receive feedback on your spoken English to improve. Native speakers can point out areas where you might be making mistakes and help you correct them. Hire a tutor. If possible, work with an English tutor who can give you personalized feedback. Websites like Italki or Preply connect learners with professional tutors. Use language exchange programs. In addition to practicing your speaking skills, language exchange partners can help you correct mistakes and give you tips on how to improve. Hashtag 10. Be patient and stay motivated. Learning to speak English fluently is a gradual process, so be patient with yourself. Set small, achievable goals and